according to YouTube, 87% of you aren't subscribed. If you want to help me reach 1,000 subs by the end of this year, make sure to hit that sub button. I appreciate you watching and enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to part 6. So last time we got more events, we added some sound effects and stuff like that. And today I think we're gonna add more events and add some more features to the game. So I'm not sure, but it's probably gonna be the next or the episode after that that's gonna be the end of this series. So part 7 or 8 is gonna be the end. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments for the next episode or two. We'll see how much comments you get and like suggestions and see what we can add. But so let's just get right into today's episode. So firstly, let's just do some more events. What we're gonna want to do is go to toolbox and let's get a sword. So the event that we're gonna add is one that just gives a random player a weapon. Oh, I forgot. Okay, now we're just gonna name this sword, and then we gotta go inside the script. Let's see. There's like a is teammate. So like if they're on the same team, it won't damage. And since we team our players to the playing team, make sure to remove it. Otherwise it won't do damage. So first of all, let's just go use Control F to find the other function. So let's just get rid of is teammate, just delete it completely, and then find the other one, which is down here, and we're just gonna remove this line right here. Boom, and it should work. Oh wait, I removed the parentheses by accident. Oh, there we go, and make sure there's no errors, and yeah, there we go, it works. So now we're just gonna insert this. We're gonna insert this into assets. So let's go over to game handler and scroll up, and I don't know how many events we're gonna have today, probably 2 or 3, we gotta see. And now let's just do this. So else if random event equals 8, and then so now what we're gonna want to do is get the sword from assets. So assets that sword clone sword dot parent is equal to, right, oh wait, hold on, I gotta check. Okay, yeah, it's player, and then player dot backpack. So now I'm just gonna put the sword into the player's backpack, and now they're gonna be able to kill the players if they want to. And let's change the status dot value is equal to player dot name dot received a sword. There we go. And then we're going to do select player. Alright, now let's do, okay, the next event is going to be like a everyone event, so it affects everyone. So I mean, the player won't really matter because we're going to loop through all the players that are in the game. Actually, since we don't have the table, since it's over here, we're gonna have to do something else. So first of all, oh wait, my bad, forgot to do is else if random event equal also if random event is equal to 9, then so now this one's gonna be slightly tricky. So first we're gonna have to loop through the game.players. So game.players get players do, okay, oh, I don't know what happened there. Okay, so in order to detect if they're in the game or not, we're just gonna see if they have a plate value. So let's just, we can actually just copy this and then bring this down, and let's say if players dot, okay, so if players, okay, so basically we're just gonna do if players dot character, and if it finds the play value, then it's going to move on to this section, and then it's going to do, and then we're actually just going to tween it and make it so it's going to be like a every plate grow event. So what we could actually do is we can just take this and take all of it and put it into this section right here. And so firstly we're gonna have to edit something. So the status, let's remove it for now because we're actually gonna put it, we're gonna put it above it, like right under this, and then so what we can say is every plate will grow. And actually, we're gonna have to take the grow, this part right here, and put it above as well. So every one plate grows the same. So will grow by grow, and then add an exclamation point. There we go. Let's add studs. There we go. Okay, now I think it'll work as intended. So every player plate should grow, and then I think that's it for that. I don't know. There's not really a way to test this. Oh wait, no. First of all, I almost forgot. This would have been bad. Local temp. We're just gonna call this temp plate equals, and then dot value. Make sure you do this because that would have been bad. It would have only grew one player's plate. So, and then you're gonna want to replace this with template, so it grows each and everything. And then this one too, you're gonna want to put this as template, and this as template too. There we go. Now everyone's plate should go, and it should do like all the other stuff that we needed to do. And what you could do is just copy this entire code right here, and you can do the same thing, but this time it shrinks. So it's basically like the other thing, how we did it the other way. So shrink, and we're just gonna change these values so you don't get confused when you're over here. Make sure you change this plus to a minus, so it subtracts. And I think that's it. And make sure you go back up to the top and change this to 10, so it actually so that event can play. Now we're gonna add something different. So right here is a plate name. So let me just show you quickly what it is. So we're just gonna put it right here and put this. We're gonna, where's it at? Adorn it to the part and make sure, and then enable it, and then see it's just like that. I'll put this what's it called, billboard GUI in the description. It'll be a model, so you can just take it. So let's just get rid of the adorn and then disable it, and we're just gonna remove this, and boom. So now let's actually script it so it can actually work. So basically you're gonna want to go back into the local script where we change the status, and then we're just gonna want to add some stuff. So firstly, we're gonna actually want to do local player equals game dot players dot local player, and then you're gonna want to get the mouse. Local mouse equals player get mouse. So there we go. We've got the mouse. Now you're gonna want to do. Now you're gonna actually want to do we're gonna have to use run service so we can actually detect whose plate is who. Run this. Crazy. That connect. Okay, that was weird. It wasn't popping up for some reason. And then you're gonna want to do if mouse dot target. Oops. Then so basically, if it has a target, then it's gonna move on to the next code. And then if mouse. Oh wait. We need I gotta check the So we gotta go back to plates, and then so we need to check if it has settings and then the owner of plate. So oh wait, wrong script. Okay, so if mouse dot target find first child settings find first child owner of plate, then local plate is equal to mouse dot target. Now what we're gonna want to do is use the GUI. So actually we're gonna have to reference the GUI. So local let's just call it plate owner GUI is equal to player dot player GUI, and then what's it called? Okay, plate name and wait for child plate name. There we go. Now what you're gonna want to do is adorning it to the plate. So we just do plate. Oh wait, nope. That's okay. There we go. And then we're gonna want to enable it too. So let's do that. Enable true. And then we're actually gonna want to change the text. So that text is equal to plate dot settings dot owner of plate dot value. Then else we're just gonna plate owner GUI dot text equals n/a, which means not available. Plate owner dot enabled equals false. Plate owner dot adorning, and then we're just gonna set that equal to nil. So let me go in the game and let's go in the game real quick and try this real quick, and we're gonna look at our own plate and see if it actually works. It should work. Oh, okay. Let me see if anything prints in the output. Nothing is printing, so I think that's a good sign so far. And we can try to test the other what's it called? And there's an error. Find first shot. Gotta wait for it to load. Okay, it's okay, so it does pop up, but it doesn't actually work properly. So let me go ahead and fix this real quick. So it's line 17. It's not okay. It's not actually finding it for some reason. That's weird. I don't know why it's not actually finding it. Oh wait, okay, first of all, I forgot to do something. Actually, it does mostly work for the most part. It's just that when it keeps going in and going, it's just not going to do it. So we actually need to change the text. Because I forgot we put text label. So what you're going to want to do is text label dot text, and then do the same down here so it actually changes and gets rid of it. So let's try it now, and it should work. As for the errors, I don't know if it's still going to do it. It probably is, because it's not finding what the settings under it. So yeah, it's still going off. That's kind of annoying, but let me see if it actually works first. Gotta wait. Okay, so it still doesn't work for some reason. Text label is not a valid member. And I forgot because, okay. Actually, I know why it doesn't work. Because it's not named text label. It's actually named player name. And so we're just gonna change that. And this, I do not know why it keeps like. Let me remove this first. Wait. I don't know if it's what actually is causing it. I mean, it's probably, it should still work. I mean, this should still work, but like the errors are just going to be there. It's kind of annoying to see all those errors, even though, I mean, it's not going to really affect the script because it's still going to run and work properly, but it's just annoying to have there. So let's just load this real quick. But I mean, it should work now because, yeah, there you go. It works. Okay, but it doesn't go away when you move your mouse, which is not. Oh wait. Probably just gonna do. We're gonna do that. I think. I'll come back when I fix this real quick. All right, so yeah, I fixed it. All you had to do was move this down, and it works fine. As for the errors, they still do happen, and I'm not sure why, because we're using Find for Child and stuff like that, but I'll figure it out later, and if I do figure it out later, I'll put it down in the comments somewhere, and I'll pin it so you're able to fix that and get rid of the errors. What do we? So now what we actually do? We're gonna do one more event, and then we're just gonna call it a video. So let's go back to game handler, and let me put down this a little bit. It's too much. Okay, there you go. Let's see. Where's the event? Okay, so we're gonna add one more event. So let's change this to 11. And what we're gonna do actually, let's get a gravity coil. That would be cool to have. Gravity coil is cool, and they're pretty fun to have. Okay. I think this one will work fine. And we're just gonna put this in server storage, and then basically all you honestly could do is just go back up to this and just take this and then just rename it and change it. So let's just do that. I'll save random event is equal to 11, and then we're just gonna put the GC so we can just abbreviate it, and then change the let's give the gravity coil, and then we gotta change this so it actually gives them a gravity coil instead of a sword, and there we go. That works. All right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, suggest what you want for the next part. Possibly a part 8, we'll have to see. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.